All right, people. So, portobellos, you know what they are. And if not, this is a portobello mushroom. Pretty big. This is my palm. This is the portobello mushroom. So they get pretty good in size. But I'm going to be marinating these portobellos today. So I am taking off this outer skin right here. Now you can leave it on if you want. I like to take it off so this way my marinade can really penetrate the portobello. Right? This is a very great way to get that marination process really quickly. All right? After peeling your portobello, you want to trim this. All right? These are called gills, and they can get your food to change color very quickly. And I just like getting rid of them so that way I can really get to the mushroom. Granted that is part of the mushroom too. You don't have to get off all of it, but I like to just clean this up a bit when I'm marinating. So everything is nice and fresh, and now this is ready for us to marinate. So for our marinade, we're gonna go with some chili oil. Right about, let's go with a nice tablespoon and a half. Then we're gonna go with about a tablespoon of sesame oil. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Fresh cracked black pepper. Does it look awkward with me? We're gonna roast this pepper, and we're gonna just give it a nice little coating of some healthy vegetable spread. Stay tuned for what we have coming up this Sunday at 4 p.m. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you on YouTube. Fire roasted pepper. All right, what we want to do is wrap this up in plastic so it can steam, and we put it into a metal container. This way the skin can come off very easily. Otherwise, all this char would be a waste. All right, people, so we have just assembled our delicious sandwich, and this is what the inside looks like. All right, super delicious, super simple. I'm gonna dig into it right now, and hopefully my guests will come on with me. But yeah, our sandwich is done, right?
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
should have a picture of it. Oh man.
Okay.
A lot of times it's so good you never take a picture.
Face too, or just?
Sure. The roasted peppers. This is so delicious.
You ever had canned sausage?
Canned sausage.
Vienna sausages?
I have. The texture.
The taste of it. Do you taste it? Canned sausage? The peppers?
Ish.
And the mushrooms, right?
Yes.
Right?
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Remember, 4 p.m. every Sunday, brand new show on YouTube. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Coming at you with plenty of plant-based dishes that are just really delicious and easy to make.